Hi everyone, welcome to Cyber. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Paramita Bhattacharya, a student of Doctorate in Business Administration in Westcliff University. Today, my topic of presentation is about automotive augmentation, that is augmented reality in automobile windshield navigation. Before going further in the topic, I would like to explain what is virtual reality and augmented reality, what are the differences, because this is important to know because virtual reality VR was already there in the market existing for any kind of other industries like gaming industry, for example, and how AR, augmented reality, started getting its attention in different other industries along with automobile industry. So what is the basic difference and what is the basic offering that both the technologies has for the user? So virtual reality and augmented reality both offers technology-wise kind of a similar artificial environment for the user that a user can interact with. But in virtual reality, the user needs to use a wearable device like goggles or a helmet or any kind of other handheld device. Whereas in augmented reality, this technology do not need any user to use any kind of wearable device. It's just with a click of a button in the app that is installed in the smartphone, for example, the augmented reality technology is accessible for any kind of information a user is looking for. For example, if a user is standing on a street and points towards the street with the smartphone that has the app, augmented reality based app, that will gather all the information in the surrounding and provide the information for the user on a virtual screen. And everything is accessible for the user. For example, every information is accessible. For example, the user is looking for any restaurant or any gas station or any movie theater or a shopping mall or a monument, historical monument. A user is wanting to get some information about it. So if the app with the augmented reality is pointed towards the monument, it will give all this information, historical information to the user. Now, the next slide will show how the augmented reality technology is getting some importance and bringing in benefits to the automobile industry. This slide, first of all, shows the 7 sectors that are getting preferences and, getting importance with the AR-based applications in the enterprises like retail, music, automotive, manufacturing, communication, IT services, and education. These 7 sectors are listed here on the slide. And the graph from the right-hand side, it shows how automotive industry is getting a competitive edge, a competitive position in the market along with these other industries like technology and retail. The automotive industry also is getting similar kind of importance for this AR technology for all kind of application in automobile. With the information provided by PwC in 2017, it is clearly shown that from 2017 to 2020, it got a gradual increment in automotive industry, which is in a competitive position with other industries like retail and media, as I just mentioned. So especially today's topic will focus on the windshield of an automobile, how it is working there. It detects it, perceive it, process information, makes a decision, and react. So the field of vision from this graphical representation, it is clearly shown that the field of vision is wider in a heads-up display. So for example, the heads-up display HUD is already existing in a smart car, in a BMW or an Audi or a Mercedes. But with an AR-based HUD, it will give the user, the driver, more wider vision on the field. So it is bringing in more safety along with other features. So different other technologies, advanced technologies like information, IoT, Internet of Things and big data and cloud systems, or artificial intelligence, it is getting all this information of the surrounding that the driver is driving its car in right at that moment. It will gather all this information for weather, or if there is a bicyclist, or if there is a pedestrian crossing the road, or if there is a car or any kind of warning sign coming in front or from the back, or if there is a changing lane information needs to be aware of, the driver will get all this information on the windscreen as a virtual screen presented to the driver. So the driver in any traditional navigation system, the driver needs to take his or her eyes off from the path, from the driveway, and has to look down for any kind of information. But with this display on the screen already provided by the AR-based HUD, the driver will not have to take its eyes off the path of the road and get this information, look down and get this information. So it's already there on the screen. So this is the safety feature to mention, which is very important, because for any kind of innovation, any kind of disruptive technology, we look for what the new features coming in along with safety. Now, this slide shows what and how the innovation is in the features. So as I said, safety first. So from the right-hand side, AR automotive, it shows how the features are getting included in along with the windshield technology. The real-time analytics and display will result. So if the real-time data is collected, the driver will be warned of any kind of information, any kind of data he needs during driving, and will be able to take quick action, what to do while driving. The next slide shows the business market share and the global next. Where are we going with the augmented reality in automotive industry? So the right side graph shows from 2019 to 2015, there is a projection from a scale of 0% to 18%. Well, what is the market penetration? And from for a scale of units in thousands, from 0 to 18,000, how it is growing. We don't see anything coming down. It's growing gradually from 2019, and there is a projection to grow upward. And the left-hand side, there is this information already that it is already seeing an accelerated growth at a rate of 70%, where 35% is from the Americas only. So we know that globally how AR in automotive industry will get more and more importance, and with its benefits for a driver and with all its safety features and other technological advancements as it is needed right now. So yeah, this is the information for automotive augmentation, and this is my reference slide. Thank you very much for watching and being with us today. If you have any question, please go ahead and do not hesitate. Thank you.